Meaning of hard rock.
Hard rock.
Hard rock.
Hard rock.
Hard rock. Hard rock is a genre of rock music characterized by its heavy use of distorted electric guitars, bass guitar, and drums. The lyrical content often focuses on themes of rebellion, independence, and living life on one's own terms. Bands such as AC/DC, Guns N' Roses, and Metallica are some of the most well-known and influential in the genre. Hard rock is known for its high energy and aggressive sound, often featuring fast tempos and powerful vocals. With its roots in blues and rock and roll music, hard rock has become a staple of modern popular culture.